Teaching, very good, Nazreen. Teaching, Sandhya, engineering, doctor, air hostess, mechanical engineer, hotel management, bank account. That's it. Who wants to speak? Does anyone want to speak? You can unmute yourself and speak as well. Yeah.
Some participants are raising hand, Ismail.
Yeah. Yes, please. Like whoever is raising your hand, please unmute yourself, Sania. Yes, ITA job. Chef, very good. Chef is also a very nice job.
Amazing.
Postman is also a job. Very good, Asmat. You can post it to everyone.
Hotel management.
Yeah, hotel management. True, absolutely true. Very good. Teaching, great. Mechanical, yes, exactly true. But these are not the only opportunities. There are so many opportunities that are available, right? Air hostess, artist, TFI teacher, right? Exactly. There are so many opportunities. And we will tell you some other opportunities that you have not seen, you don't know about, right? See, I want to become a scientist. I want to become a scientist, for example, but I need to understand whether I can be a scientist, whether me being a scientist will be useful for me or not, right? So we are going to see different opportunities that are available. And the second step that we will take you through is evaluate. Evaluate matlab kya hai? What is evaluation? We will help you to understand what is your personal goal. See, just because a movie actor gets so much of money, it doesn't mean that you also become actor, right? So you should know what is your goal. You should know, if I take engineering job, in future will this have good money, or how will this benefit me? You should have that knowledge, right? You should have that scope analysis. We call it scope analysis. Like after 5 years, after 10 years, will I be promoted, or will this industry go down, right? And we also help you to go through market trends. What are the different market trends? Like which job has highest paying job, in which job you will be happy, in which job you will be comfortable, in which job you will be very difficult but you will get so much of money, right? So all these things you will be seen, or you will be understood in evaluate, right? Yeah. And that's the second one. The third one, explore. Understanding the selected path. I mean, so now you picked, okay, I want to become an engineer. I want to become an engineer. Okay. After becoming an engineer, which college to choose? I mean, how to approach that college, and what application do you have to fill, and all. So once you select the path, so first step we will show you what are the different jobs available. Second step, I'll explain about it, Hina. First step, we will show you there are how many jobs and what are the different jobs. Second step, evaluate. We will help you to identify what is your job, like what job can you take, what is your interest. Third stage, explore, is where we can help you with what are the different organizations, opportunities that are available, so that you can explore that, so that you can take that path that you selected. And you will get a mentor, you will get a mentorship. Like we have so for example, just Akansha's example, just being a doctor, you are decided to be a doctor. Okay, there are different types of doctors: neurologist, heart surgeons, there are rheumatology doctors, cancer treating doctors. There are so many doctors. Can I tell you, in my hometown there is one doctor, anesthesia doctor. You know what he'll do? He'll only give one injection before operation. మత్తులో వెళ్ళిపోవడానికి హోష్ మే హో జానే కే లియే they will give that injection, no, anesthesia. That has to be given not by nurse, it has to be given by a doctor. He will come, give that one injection, and he will go. For that one injection he'll take 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Can I tell you what? In the whole town, he is the only person who will give that injection. He is only authorized to give that injection. So you think just being a doctor is my profession? No. What kind of doctor you want to become? So you will get that mentorship. Okay. And the fourth step is enable. What are the skills that you need to have to become a doctor? What are the skills that you need to have? and what is the experience that you need to have. What are some trainings that you have to go to? Do you think police will just become directly police with one exam? No, he will undergo training physically. He will undergo different interviews, right? So he should know how to face interviews, how to face exams, right? That is what we will help you with in the fourth step, enable, right? I hope I was clear in a very quick time. First one is show you so many jobs, which is exposure. Second one is I want you to take notes if you want. Second one is evaluate, which means after seeing so many jobs in stage one, the stage two is evaluation. Which job I should take? Which job is good for me? Which job is suitable for me? Third stage is exploring. Okay, I picked this engineering. Now, what engineer should I become? What kind of engineer should I become? Is it software engineer, mechanical, civil, what? Right? To make your path clear. The last one is enable. So we'll help you develop the skills that you want. Like for example, if you want to become a electrical, electric mechanic, electrical man in Dubai, do you think that is cheap? Being an electrician in Dubai, he will earn 1,50,000. So we don't know. The thing is, we just don't know, right? So we will help you with that. What are the skills that are available, and how can you earn? How can you get trainings? How can you, directly go to that position where you want to be? That is a fourth step. First one is exposure, evaluate, explore, enable. Now, I want all of you to type in the chat box, what is your favorite stage? Is it a first stage you want to know more about exposure, or is it you want to know more about evaluate, or is it you want to know more about explore, or is it you want to know more about enable? I want you to text in the chat box. I'm going to wait for 30 seconds more. Guys, if you are asked to type in the chat box, it should be full. Within 10 seconds, 100 messages should come. But nobody is active. I'm waiting. I want to know more about. Okay, you want to know about 3 stages. Very good, Hina. Tell me your favorite stage that you are more excited to learn about. Evaluate and explore. Very good.
Amazing.
Yes, Safura, thank you. Yeah, few participants are raising their hands. If you want to speak, you can unmute yourself and share. 2 and 3. Sunny is interested in 2 and 3. Sadia Khatun is interested in 3 and 4. Very good, Sadia. Waiting for Pujita, Mahin, Sabha, Afia. I want all of you to respond. Vaishnavi, Akshita, Sandhya. 2 and 3, Sania. Very good. Nazrin said all. See, I want you to participate here. That is our first rule, because see, if you buy a 10 rupee chocolate, okay, you bought a 10 rupees chocolate. Will you eat only some piece of it and throw away everything? No, right?
No.
You will completely lick the chocolate cover also.
Ishmael, can you repeat?
Sorry, Akansha. Can you unmute yourself? You're on mute.
Yes, so I wanted to again tell what I understood from what you were saying, so that
Yes,
even
yes.
the kids understand it easily.
Yes.
Exposure is you giving us exposure about different kinds of jobs, right?
Yes.
So you will tell us what are the different jobs.
Exactly.
In evaluate, we have to evaluate ourselves. We have to see what is our interest.
Exactly.
Right. And in explore, we will see what we will get in more detail, like a doctor, which kind of doctor, engineer, which kind of engineer, right?
Exactly.
And enable is telling what do you need to become that, right?
Exactly. Absolutely true. Thanks, Akansha. So now I hope everyone has understood now very clearly, right? Yes, I can see many responses also. Yes, very good. I think we are good to go, Ahmad. So keep your mind open, because we are going to learn about all these stages, not just today. This is not the only one class where we will understand stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. No, we are going to have so many other classes also where we will understand about every stage. Okay, yes, go ahead, Ahmad.
So I'm understanding like how much curious you are. So the simple thing like that, many like in the south there is a common trend. What you want to become? I want to become an engineer, or I want to become a doctor. So only like most of the people know only these two things. But as Ismail Bhaiya mentioned in the previously, that there are more than 250 sectors and more than thousands of jobs available, but we are not ready to explore. So Team Disha is here to guide you, to give you more and more exposure, and to help you to know more about yourself, and to help you identify the right path with the skills you have. Right, guys? So I want everyone to open up your mind. I will be giving you some questions. So just think about it and try to answer. Okay, or else if you want to type in the chat box, please type in the chat box.
Once Bhaiya gives you all the question on the screen, take uh, 3 minutes of your time. Take 3 minutes of your time. Think clearly. Okay. So this is at times where you need to be very serious, isn't it? Outside everything is chaotic, right? We don't know when lockdown happens, and this is the best time. Just don't say what do you want to be about, what do you want to be after 5 years. And a question hoste, if you see that question, don't just say doctor. You also give reason for everything. Thank you, Hina, for once again for telling that. So, see, there's a first question. How do you see yourself after 5 years? I want all of you to please take 1 minute. Take 1 minute of your time. Think, and write in the chat box. I want all of you to text in the chat box. Question. How do you see yourself after 5 years?
Amazing, guys. So the basic notion, like what I see among the youth is like, okay, we will see it later. Now we are just 7th or 8th or 9th or 10th class. We will see it later. अभी बहुत time है ना. लेकिन जब अगर आप future में चले गए, like if you enter in any of the course, again if you want to switch, then you will have to wait for some more time. You will be wasting some more time. So it's better to plan prayer before entering those. So anything you do in life, you should not have any regret. अफसोस नहीं करना कि मैं मिस कर दिया, like I have taken a wrong step in my life. Open your mind, think about this, and type in your chat box.
Very good. I can see some amazing responses. Computer engineer, coach, a great successful human being, an artist. Very good. I want you to be very specific, like how Sania has written. Very good, Sania. She has mentioned that she want to become ophthalmologist. Very good, very good. I want you to be very specific like that. Yeah. IAS or IPS officer. Very good, very good. Yeah, awesome. See, big businessman, businesswoman. Very good, Nazia. I want you to text in the open window. Very good, Sandhya. IAS, software engineer. Think. Take your time. You have still 30 seconds more.
That's what, guys. So it's a high time to think and respond, because generally these type of sessions don't happen. So it's time to open up. We are here to help you. We are here to guide you. So if you don't open up, మీరు మాకు చెప్పకపోతే మీకు ఎలా హెల్ప్ చేయాలనేది మాకు తెలియదు. అందుకనే if you open up, if you tell what you want to be, then we can help you. We can hold your hand and we can make you reach the goal. Here is the second question, guys. Just think about it.
So the second question is, how do you think you are going to be there? Like, what are the actions that you are going to take so that you will reach that position that you are going to imagine or dream about after 5 years, right? See, someone has texted they want to become an IAS officer, or IPS officer, or they want to become a coach. But how are you going to be there? Very good. I can see some amazing responses. If you can unmute yourself, I request 3 kids to please unmute yourself and share how are you going to be there.
We consider the question to be specific. We want like what are the education or what courses you have to enroll in order to be there after 5 years, what you wanted to become. Okay, so what are the courses and what path you have to be choosing?
Myself, Sabha.
Yeah.
I want to become a doctor,
Very good, Sabha.
and I can become that by being educated about that particular dream.
Very good, Sabha. So, Sabha, I would like to know, like, आप डॉक्टर बनना है, okay. So, how after 10th, how you will be proceeding? What you will be taking? Okay. After that, what you will be doing? Please, can you elaborate about that? तो आप कौन सा कोर्स लेना चाह रहे हैं? So, कौन सा कोर्स है? Like, you want to work as a cardiac doctor, cardiologist, or dentist, or any MBBS doctor?
A big doctor who does operations.
Mm-hmm. Okay, no problem, Sarva. So, timely you will understand like what are the courses you need to take and what is the path you need to choose. That's what we are here for. Okay, so please always be connected with us so that we can help you like to become a doctor. Right? Here is the third question, guys. Okay, Sabha. As you have mentioned, as you have spoken, here is the third question to you and all that what are the actions మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు to become what you want to be. Okay, आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं अपने ड्रीम को अचीव करने के लिए? अब क्या कर रहे हैं? कुछ सीख रहे? क्या सीख रहे? Please tell the actions
that you are taking to become what you want to become, right? So like for example, you want to become an engineer, you need to have good knowledge in math, right? So are you studying math well? Like that, there's some simple steps. Like if you want to become if you want to become a doctor, you need to take a subject, you need to take a course called BIPC after 10th, right? So you should be very good at science. So are you good at science or the subjects that you are interested about, right? Yeah. So that is what it is about.
If you are not understanding anything, so हर किसी का आंसर अभी मिलना बोल के जरूरी नहीं है. You can take time and think, but it is important to think and get clarity. Okay, guys, here is the fourth question for you. So obviously Ismail Bhaiya has answered to this question, and I have seen many of you answering this question. Like different type of job streams that you have mentioned, right? So there are, like as I have mentioned, there are 250 and plus job streams that are available and thousands of positions in it that we can be in any of the position. So that we'll be exploring soon in the upcoming sessions also. So just keep all these questions in mind. If you are able to answer, that's good. You have to think deeper, and if you were unable to answer these questions, then take these questions and think about it and get some clarity. Okay, guys, we are going to next slide. So right now you are in schooling, right? After 10th, you are going to switch to any other field. So it's upon us how we want to be, like based upon the goals, what path to choose. For example, Sabha was telling she wanted to become a doctor. Then I think so she need to like go through intermediate. Then she need to choose BIPC. Okay. Then she can apply for like qualify through like after BIPC, she can write exam, NEET exam or any other competitive exams. After that, she will have to enroll MBBS, and after that, other specific courses in that field. Similarly, everyone have different fields. Someone said they wanted to become an artist. Someone said they wanted to become a teacher, a army officer, and different personalities. So here are the like different pathways that you can adopt. So intermediate polytechnic, IT, ITI, paramedical short-term courses. So it depends on us what we want to become. Okay, if we are aiming high, then we can go for other streams. Like based upon if we want to go to engineering, then we have other pathways. If you want to just pursue some short-term course and directly get a job, then we have short-term courses. Okay, here DTP, Tally, Graphics, and PGDC. So these are all some small computer courses and data typing courses that we can learn and directly we can get a job. And similarly, IT. These are skill-based jobs. Being an electrician, mechanical works, and different works like plumbing side we can go. And apart from that, even though if we are want to like if we want to become a doctor, we have other choices too. We have paramedical courses and other allied science courses that we can enroll. Like, okay, there are many things that you can explore. Okay, so you have to be patient, like, in order to explore. So in general, you might be knowing, like, many of your bhaiyas and didis at your home will be pursuing these courses: MPC, BIPC, HEC, MEC. Okay, so I have, like, personally I have done MPC, then I have written MSET exam, then I have studied civil engineering. Okay, so this was my path, right? If you want to do any other thing, it depends on you guys. So these are broad categories. Okay, so
Go back, Ahmad. Go back, Ahmad.
Yep.
Yeah. Just wanted to give you a clear definition once again. Thank you so much, Ahmad. It was very nice. So now I'll just briefly tell you about these courses that are available. Can you put them on full screen, Ahmad?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So I want you to take notes. If you are taking a note, see, the first category that we are going to look at is intermediate, right? In intermediate, there are almost 5 courses or 5 streams that you can go for. Immediately after 10th, many of the students will go for this intermediate because they think that there is only intermediate after 10th. Yes, that is obviously true. See, the first course is MPC, which is engineering. If you want to become an engineer, pilot, if you want to become an air hostess, if you want to become course where there are mathematics is needed and computers is required, you can take MPC, right? BIPC is where if you want to become a doctor, if you want to become a nurse, if you want to become if you want to get into science field, if you want to become a science teacher, if you want to become a science lecturer, if you want to become a professor, any job that is related to science, you have to take BIPC course first. What is the next 3 courses? History, HEC, MEC, CEC, which means history, economics, civics. Civics, commerce, economics, civics, CEC, maths, economics, civics, MEC. So we will be sharing all the details with you again by making a group. So, but now just listen to me because we have very less time as well. So the last 3 courses, HEC, MEC, CEC, these are completely related to social. All the courses are related to social. And the course that has mathematics is commerce and MEC, like CEC and MEC. So majority of the banking job courses and majority of the government posts, you can go with these 3 courses, the HEC, MEC, CEC. So all these 3 courses will have, not that much of pressure like MPC and BIPC. And all the IAS, IPS officers, if they want to, right now after 10th, you want to become, the IAS and IPS officer, you have that dream. If you go for HEC, MEC, CEC, your job will be very easy because all the knowledge that you learn in HEC, you will learn it again for IAS, IPS. Okay, the same questions will be repeated. Yeah. So what is the second stream is polytechnic. See, in this polytechnic, we have, again, different branches like mechanical, civil, EEE, chemical polytechnics, and computers. See, there is a difference between engineering and polytechnic, right? So engineering is a 4 years course. Polytechnic is a 2-year course. Instead of inter, it's a polytechnic course. Sir, what happens? Polytechnic means in polytechnic you will only learn about one particular subject that you like. For example, if you want to become a mechanical engineer, like dealing with motors and all, so you don't have to go for MPC which has maths, you don't have to go for BPC which has math. Okay, you can straight away go to mechanical, where there will be a lot of practical work. There will be a lot of practical work. It is not like MPC, you get good marks, you will get a good college. No, not like that. Polytechnic is completely based on, practicals. It is based on how you do it directly, not only reading the questions. Yeah. And all these courses are mostly related to practical knowledge. Like they are not like book answer question. No, not like that. So one advantage is, if you study polytechnics, if you take polytechnics, after finishing 2 years, you can directly join engineering as a second year person. As a second year student, you can directly join. Okay. Yeah, there's some Aisha Mahim, there's someone who asked MEC. What about MEC? MEC is a intermediate again. So it's a math, economic, civics. Okay, that's a different one. So what is ITA? ITA is like skill-based jobs. Like ek bar ITA, if you do ITA course, no, they will directly teach you about electricals and fittings and mechanical work, and you will be directly a technician. You will become a plumber or things like that. Some of you might be laughing. Plumber is an ordinary job, electrician is an ordinary job, right? It is not at all an ordinary job. Can I tell you, in Dubai and in other countries, if a person knows how to how to fit the pipes and how to do this mechanical and electrical work, they are being paid above 70,000. above 70,000. इधर बैंक जॉब लेके आने के बाद ఇక్కడ बैंक जॉब తెచ్చుకున్నప్పుడు how much you will get in here in bank job? You will get mostly 50, 60, 70, that too after 5 years.
But yes, I also wanted to add same thing,
yes,
Ismail. Can I go ahead?
Yes.
So I see a lot of people writing IAS, IPS, Army, Doctor, which are again very common ones. I want all the students to think, where did they see about this? Because if it is because your parents want you to be a doctor and you are trying to become a doctor, please understand that you don't know there are so many other things that you can do. Once you start preparing for, let's say a doctor or something, and if you don't like it, then don't force yourself. Maybe there's something which you will like, enjoy, and at the same time you can earn money. So I just like to say that this is a very important thing for you all. I'll just give a short example of Ravi from my class. He likes to draw, but he does not like painting and drawing. Some of my kids know him. So I told him about something called as graphic designing. Graphic designing means making drawings on computer and making designs on computer, posters, banners for advertisements. So even this can give you something, some money, and it's really good. And there are very less people in it. You don't have to put so much of your sweat in it. You can easily become a graphic designer, and you can earn sitting at home. So don't worry, it is not supposed to be that you have to crack an IAS exam and then only you will be successful. So please change the way you guys think, and please listen to your bhaiyas. They are really doing a lot of hard work, and they can really guide you, and they'll really tell you something new. So please take it seriously. Don't laugh. I really mean it. It is going to help you a lot.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Akansha. Like one thing I wanted to mention, that the most of the people here just after watching movies and all that, they make the decision, I want to become IAS and all that. But even though if it's not their interest, just they admire and all that, but they do not explore other streams also. So here it is important, in order to identify the best right path for our career, we need to explore, we need to understand many streams, then we'll get to know the right thing that we are fit for. Okay, guys?
And there is a lot of misunderstanding about if we don't become a doctor, engineer, we will not get enough money. Yeah. So please forget about that. People are doing very different kinds of jobs and they are earning a lot. There are some photographers who are doing shoots for all celebrities, and they are earning more than any dentist in the city.
Amazing. Yes, Akansha, you're right. Like there are many new jobs like that have become, like you can see right now YouTubers, YouTube is one of the occupation, like for many of them they are earning through that, and some of them are digital marketers. So these are like recently new jobs. So don't know, like after like you get out, like after intermediate and all that, you might be finding many new jobs that are coming that are right now not existing, right guys? So I would like to like, so this is the broad like categories that we are seeing here. So here
See
I would
the
like,
yes, yes, Ahmad, go ahead.
yeah, so here I would like to show you that tree mind map. Right now you can see Ishmael.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, Ahmad, yes, yes.
Yeah, so just you can see, like for engineering, how many streams are there? Computer science, information technology, electrical communication, civil, mechanical, aeronautical. Even you might not have heard ceramic, industrial, environmental engineering, marine, mining, silk, and textile. Okay, so here, like generally, the branches which are in demand, those courses are like enrolled by the colleges. But there are many other streams that are there that we are not aware of. So here, these are all the skills you can explore, and definitely based upon your interest, strengths, we will be helping you to explore these courses. And apart from that, many of you wanted to become go into like army, navy, air force. So there are through NDA we can enroll in that. And other than that, diploma courses, short term courses that we were enrolling, like so many members were telling about hotel management and all that. So these all come under diploma courses. So fashion, interior designing, jewelry, okay. And if you want to go to filmmaking and other types of management, so these are all other courses, okay. Even the foreign languages, learning different languages, right? So we have diploma courses here. And as I have mentioned, okay, in medical we have different categories, like paramedical courses. You might have seen a separate section, okay. So you can become an allopathic doctor, Unani doctor, Ayurvedic. You might have heard about the like treatment, Ayurvedic treatment, Unani treatment, and homeopathy. Many of your parents and all that, everyone will be like going to those doctors. So there are different courses, BUMS, BHMS, okay. After intermediate, that you can enroll in these. After paramedical courses, you can enroll in these, okay. After a polytechnic, you can enroll in these. So these are different courses. Again, BSc learning, nursing, and as Ishmael Bhaiya was mentioning about anesthesia doctor. So here is the degree that he might have got, and BSc cardiac, so lab technician and all that jobs. These are the degrees that they get. So everything that we can learn, like if we explore. So that, so for your basic understanding, just I have prepared this mind tree. Again again so BA economics, BA psychologist, psychiatrist. If you want to like BA like political science, if you want to know more about political history and all that, and sociology, library science. My friend's father is a librarian at Delhi University. So he did BA library science, and he is right now there earning many like heavy salary and all that. Apart from that, BSc computer science, horticulture, microbiology, biotechnology, and n number of things. And there are many other streams that I have not listed. These are the broad, like 3 or 4 streams that I have mentioned here. As mentioned, there are more than 250 streams, okay guys. So these in this session, just I wanted to give you just a gist of it, okay. In the upcoming, like is it's a part of exposure. Next we are going to like evaluate, self assessment, and then we are going to explore. So these it's the like step by step we will plan it, okay. Right now we are going to the next
Yeah,
level.
guys, don't worry. This is the first class. This is the first class. So we broadly told you about different, paths. We just showed you, but what is anesthesia? What is this? What is this? What is that? We will take, one by one. Okay, not
Yeah,
everything. We cannot see Apura explain all these things. It will take almost more than 10 hours,
yeah,
right? So we'll go one by one. See, now you understood, right? There are so many opportunities. Now you should be interested about what are those opportunities. Okay, how can I
okay.
get all those opportunities is what you should be very interested about.
So
Okay.
I can feel, and I think so Ishmael bhai and Akansha Didi also are also like feeling the same, that many thoughts are going into your mind, but no need to fear. Like you have time, just you need to like take some time to think about these streams. Then you
uh,
can explore.
yeah, yeah. So sure.
Yeah.
Yes, Ahmad.
Yeah, so you might have seen many things. So from the past many years, many people have been graduating, learning, and taking courses, short-term courses, and going through ITI sessions and be getting equipping themselves and enrolling into different companies and industries. So these are some of the facts. Okay, I can see many of the boys and girls joining this session. So there are many facts that we can see here. So maximum first like bubble you can see, maximum supplyable of employable talent is from AP. Okay guys, so just you can see like how the students that are graduating here, enrolling through the courses, how much employable they are. So the interested industry is interested in like hiring the people who are from AP, like both from AP and Telangana, you can understand, right? And you can see 46.21% students found employable. Still many people are graduating, but the percentage is just 46.21% that the companies are finding to hire. And female employability upward trend, yes. So many companies are giving reservations to female in their companies, or every sector is encouraging for the females to join their company, because many rules have been passed for giving reservations to the females. And obviously many it is seen like the upward trend in female employability. Yeah, non-technical skills in demand, self-determination, just believe in yourself, and believing that you can do anything if you are wishing. Like you might be dreaming, I want to become this that, but if you have wit and will to do that, definitely it's a demanding skill that need to have in one individual. Again, you can see in the biggest bubble, two employable cities, Mumbai and Hyderabad. Right now, we can see many like schemes that have been coming from the Telangana government, and many industries are investing in Hyderabad, pharma industry, handloom industry, and all that. So there is a large scope. Okay, right now you might not be seeing many things, but there is a huge scope for you guys, because after getting graduated, after like going through any of the course, definitely you will have demand. But there are some skills that you need to learn, that you need to be equipped with, so that there will be competition, but among the competition you have to be like hired. So in order to be like that, you need to be equipped with some of the skills that we will be letting you know. Okay, for the particular stream, what are the skills and all that you need to have. Okay guys, so this was the report from Skill India 2019 report. Even you can find it in the Google. Okay guys.
Just go back,
Yeah,
Ahmad.
yeah,
Yeah. So as you can see, right, there are so many bubbles, and what I mean, how can you get that job? Employability matlab getting a job. Okay. Employable cities matlab the cities which offer you many jobs
yeah.
are Bombay, Mumbai, and Hyderabad. And 27 percentage women work in India, right?
Only.
Yeah, they're only like 27, which means there are still 73% women who are not working. And engineers are the most hired people. And see, look here, BA domain has more employable women. See, if girls has more opportunities if they study BA, Bachelor of Arts, it's a degree, it's a graduation, right? There is intermediate. After 10th there is intermediate, I mean 2 years course. There is graduation, there is post graduation, there is PhD course, which is called Doctor of Philosophy, right? So we are going to learn in the next classes what is graduation, what are post graduation, what are the different courses and all. Every time we'll be picking up one particular topic, and then we will be explaining. Like for example, one day we will completely discuss only on intermediate. Okay, we are still in stage one of our milestones. What is the stage one of our milestones? What is the stage one of our milestone? Can somebody please text in the chat box? What is the first step? I've shown you 4 stages, right? 4 stages. Can somebody yes, Ankita, can you please unmute yourself? Ankita, please unmute yourself and share what is the first stage that we have seen. Yeah, it's exposure. Yeah, it's exposure.
Correct.
Thank you so much. Pujita and Ankita, both of you answered the same at the same time. So it is exposure. So we are still in the exposure form, right? We are still showing you what are different parts. So we will understand deeper about this. Okay, it's need not to get confused. This first class is the introduction class. Okay. Yes, Ahmed.
Yeah, so guys, no need to think don't get tensed anymore, because it's the beginning stage and it's only the session 1. So just we wanted to set some expectations how we are going to work, and how, like, if you join with us, how we are going to help you, like, to achieve
Yes.
to get clarity about your career, and to know the right path for your career, and to identify the skills. Okay, from now
Absolutely.
on, how you will be working on your skills, and improving, being a more valuable, becoming a more valuable citizen for the company, for any like place that you want to go. Okay,
Yeah.
guys, so we will be creating one WhatsApp group. In that, like, we will be sending it to, like, Ismail Bhaiya will be sending in your group, and Akansha Didi in your class group. And definitely, if you are interested, join our group. Definitely you will be in direct contact with us if you are doing any sessions, if you are sending some important information related to career, or any announcements, important announcements, okay, any important exams or career guidance tips. Definitely we'll be sharing those in the group.
Sure. Yeah, there is one more announcement. Like there will be another class like this, like within 10 days, maybe after 10 days, there will be another class. So this is July, today is it's June 29th, right? So there will be a class on from June 10. There might be a class. So we will let you know about it. After 10 days, we are planning to have one more class. So yeah. So and also next time we want you to invite other friends also from other schools and all. Anyone can come. It's not only for Teach for India kids, it's for everyone, right? So you can invite others. So right now what your task is, after this class we want you to just sit and think, like what has Bhaiya shared, what has Didi shared, and how far have you understood, how much have you understood. And we want you to share this with your parents, right? We want you to let your parents know, like what are the things that you have learned, observed in this class. For sure, please do it. And one thing is, we will be sending you a Google form where you need to fill the feedback and send. And please, you need to fill it and please send us back. Do not forget that. By tonight or by tomorrow you will be getting a feedback form. And Ahmad, can you go back to Q&A? Yeah, in the next 10, it's already 6:15. We are going to close this within 15 minutes. If you have any doubt, any top of your mind doubt or any thought, please text in the chat box. It will be great even if you can unmute yourself and ask. Any doubt, any thought, anything that you are feeling. You can ask questions.
Bhaiya,
Yes. Yes.
Bhaiya, yeah, I think you're recording this class.
Yes. It is only for us, not to give it to anyone. You want this recording, Ankita?
Oh, yes, Bhaiya.
Okay. We will.
That again.
Sure. We will try to pass on this to you. Don't worry. Yeah. Thank you so much, Ankita.
Okay, bye.
Anything that you want to ask, a question or any feedback that you want to give?
To keep in touch with all the children who are interested in this, we shall create a WhatsApp group. Okay, we'll be forwarding those link soon, and please do fill the feedback form. Anything if you haven't shared here, okay, definitely do share. And any suggestions, okay, not now, if you want to share it later, you can share it through Akansha Didi or Ismail Bhaiya also.
So that's it, guys. That's it for today. Yeah, you can learn slowly. Yes, Pujita, you can learn slowly. And thank you so much, guys, for being so engaging and staying till the end. Thank you so much. Now we'll let you know when will be the next class. So be prepared. Next time, get ready with your books and so much to speak. Next time we will be on time, right? And we'll get more opportunity also, much opportunity to speak. Yeah. Thank you so much, all of you. You can end the call.